Alright, what's up, everybody? Alright, so first of all, before you guys can even say anything, you can tell I gotta do freaking mic. Alright? And, I feel like this is probably the best sounding mic. Hold up. This is probably the best sounding mic I probably had, to be honest. Like the mic audio. I don't know, you guys tell me if this is better than the other one. I feel like this is probably the best one I had. But yeah, right now, I want to do a video on this game on Roblox. It's called, I actually forgot. Wait, what is it called? It doesn't even show me. Something clicker or whatever. But this game was like actually really fun. I wanted to show you guys what it's about. Right now I'm actually winning right now, but I'm gonna wait till this game to end. Alright, I made it. I'm in first place. But basically, like this game, you have to press, depending on what platform you are, you have to click like a combination of buttons, and you have to like, basically like be the first one to go to the top. And if you click the wrong button, like on the wrong side, like say like if you're going left, you have to press A. If you're on PC, and if you're going right, you have to press D. And if you go like the wrong one, like I'm a stair, you get stunned. You can't move for like 3 seconds. So like basically you have to be. It's kind of like hard, kind of, but I'm kind of good at this game now since I've been playing it. But yeah, so basically you have to race, like kind of like a race. So I'm gonna try to be in first place this time, and you can get like different like abilities and crap. But I'll show you. Hold up. All right, classic. Climb as many stairs as you can. All right, let's go. I'm gonna try to be the first place. Crap, this dude's right behind me. He's right behind me. See, that's the thing. Like, you're always on. Oh, crap. See, I got stunned. Like, you're always on edge. Like, someone could literally just come out of nowhere and just, like, get in front of you. Or you could, like, mess up anytime. Look at this dude. Woo! He's right there. Okay, sorry. Sorry for yelling. By the way, I will do another video on the Geometry Dash level Clutterfunk. Because I do want to beat that, but it's been giving me a little, like, like, I made a video on it already, but I just didn't publish it because I felt like it wasn't really that worth it. I didn't beat it, but I'm gonna practice a little bit more, try to beat it, and another video probably tomorrow's video. So yeah, right now I'm actually in first place. Oh crap! Come on. Oh, I made it. I'm right there. Crap. Oh, okay, I made it. Woo! They also on stair 339. Let's try to buy something. No. Let's do like a hat crate. I don't have enough. Alright. Let's try to win this one as well. Crap! I'm already messing up. I'm in third place. Come on. Oh, crap. Come on. Oh crap! Come on. I can actually beat that guy. I just gotta be faster. Cause I'm actually faster than him at clicking. Crap! Come on. Slow down. All right, yeah, we won. Oh crap! Come on. Let's go! I made it. Woo! Let's go. Yeah, so this game actually, for like, once you get like the hang of it, like you get better. Obviously, you get kind of better, and I kind of got pretty good. Crap, I don't have enough. Wait, how much you need for that? Oh, 4,000. I only have 3,000. What about faces? Yeah, everything's like 4,000. Everything's expensive. All right, classic. Let's do classic race. No 60 seconds. But yeah, so it probably will be a kind of a short video because I kind of just wanted to show you this game, but it can be gameplay video as well. All right. Come on, let's go. I'm too good at this game. I'm actually too good. Yeah, there's no one gonna be in front of me. I'm going way too fast when they're like all the way down there. First place, baby. And they were only at they were only at 200. Well, I want to try rising lava. I actually tried this before. Basically, this game you have to be like basically like really get really high up, and basically try not to get hit by the lava. Basically, obviously, but yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. But like the lava gets extremely fast, and like sometimes it's like literally impossible. You have to be like really fast to even dodge it. Cause sometimes it's like impossible. It gets like really fast. So it's not even a race. You just gotta make sure not to die. Which is actually pretty hard because this game already is pretty hard. Oh my god, that crap is going fast. You see how fast it's going now? Just don't worry about it. Just don't worry about it. Just try to go fast. Come on, go fast. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I gotta survive for 50 seconds, bruh. Ah, no, 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 no. It's gonna, it's gonna, it's gonna. Come on, we gotta hurry up. 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 Oh my gosh! Look how fast it's coming. I'm not gonna make it. Yeah, I'm dead. Yeah, it's not even. Yeah, I'm not even getting. I'm not even getting nowhere. Like, I'm literally just getting like closer to it. It doesn't even matter. Yeah, I'm dead. 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 Whoa! 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 Ah! Crap. Dude, that crap is crazy, man. Like, nah, that game mode, bro. Oh my gosh. Alright, we can get a hat crate, I guess. What kind of hat I get? Come on. Give me something good. Give me something good. A freaking angel crap? Really? I'm like a hacker in this game. I know there's obviously people better than me. I remember like this dude was like crazy good at this game. This dude was going like literally like going so fast and he wasn't even stopping either. It was just crazy. Let's go. Let's go. Alright, I guess we'll do one more. We'll do one more. But yeah, this video is kind of just like, you know, like just so basically this video is kind of this video is kind of just an excuse to kind of like show my mic, like, you know, like let you guys see like my new mic kind of. And I kind of did want to show you this game. That's try infected for this last one. This I never really played this game. I only played it like one time. So we'll just see how it is. So let's go. Infected. Hopefully it's actually that game mode. Please, please. Let's go. All right. We're gonna see who. All right. So there's like basically someone infected, and we gotta try to like escape him. I'm already gonna. Yeah, I'm gonna win. Ah! Woohoo! Oh my gosh! I'm dead. Oh my gosh, dude! I'm hitting so much corners right now. This is kind of like a finger workout. Crap! I'm in third place right now. Oh my gosh, dude. What is going on? Dude, why do I keep on doing that? Every time I get in front of them. Yeah, I won. I won. Crap. But the infected person probably didn't even affect anybody. I won. Let's go. Alright, so yeah, that's basically all I want to show you guys. It's a pretty cool game. You guys should probably play it. Let me see what it's called real quick. Uh, Stereotypers. That's what it's called. But yeah, oh yeah, guys, you like my outfit? Like my outfit on here. Hold on. Crash not loading. But yeah, so yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is kind of just an excuse to kind of just literally just show off my new mic. But yeah, anyways, see you guys next video, probably tomorrow. So yeah.